All right, so now that you have a better understanding of the 9 series and a more complete understanding of it, let's go ahead and start talking about the alpha. All right, the alpha series is 1, 3, 7, 6, 4, and 9. Okay, and as I said earlier, it's actually nested within the 9 series, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. Using basic doubling, all right, 1 times 2, we're going to be able to find the next number in the alpha series. All right, may sound a little confusing, but just watch. All right, finding the next number in the alpha series is doubling plus the previous alpha sum. Okay, now that may sound confusing, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and double. 1 times 2 is 2, but we got to add 1 because that's the very first number. So 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 ends up being 3. That's your next number. Okay? We'll go to the next one. 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay? So we got this one. 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 3 equals the next number, which is 7. Okay? Let's keep going. 2 times 4 equals 8. So where's my next number? My next number, since I've got 8, I've got 2 times 4 equals 8, is going to be adding 7 to it. So you got to add the previous. Okay, that's all I'm doing, just adding the previous one. So we're going to add 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Okay, but let's not stop there. Let's go ahead and do 2 times 8 equals 16. Now we know that we have 6. 6 and 6. 16 and 6 ends up equaling 22. 22. We're going to add 6 equals 22. 2 plus 2 equals 4. There's our next number. Last one we got is 9, so let's go ahead and do it. We're going to go ahead and do 2 times 7 equals 14 plus 4 equals to 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Okay? So as you can see, by doubling your 9 series, so this is why the 9 series plays a role. By doubling your 9 series and then adding the previous one, you will get the next number in the alpha series. Okay? 1 times 2 equals 2, plus 1, because you start with 1, equals 3. There's your 3. Okay? 2 times 2 equals 4, all right? Plus 3, because that's your previous one, ends up equaling 7. There's your next one. 2 times 4 equals 8, all right? Plus 7 equals 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. There's your next one. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 6 equals 22. 2 plus 2 is 4. There's your next one. And 2 times 7 equals 14, plus 4 is 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Okay? So that is the alpha series. And when you get the alpha and the omega, you're going to actually see the complete circle. But at this point, this is just the alpha series. 1, 3, 7, 6, 4, 9. And it is nested within the 9 series. 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. And you do that by doubling plus adding the sum below it, or before it. All right? Now, next thing we're going to talk about the omega series. So stay tuned.